In this video, we're diving into the core components that make Retable a powerhouse: workspaces, projects, and tables. Whether you're collaborating with a team or organizing personal projects, understanding these elements is key to maximizing your productivity on Retable. Let's begin with workspaces. Think of a workspace as your project's home base, where you can cluster related projects and tables, ensuring a streamlined workflow and easy collaboration. Creating a new workspace is straightforward. Click Add Workspace, fill in the name, select its purpose, and you're set. But what if you need to make changes? Simple. Renaming, editing the description, or adjusting sharing settings can be done in just a few clicks, ensuring your workspace evolves with your project's needs. Let's take a closer look and see more about workspaces, showing how they can organize our projects and enhance teamwork. Creating workspaces. Click on the Add Workspace button. Enter a new name for your workspace in the Workspace name field. This is a required step. Choose the workspace's purpose, for use of organization or for personal use. Click on Add Workspace to finalize the creation. You can create as many workspaces as you like. You can categorize your projects within different workspaces and share them with your team. Renaming a workspace. Locate the workspace you wish to rename. Click the three dots next to the workspace name. Select Rename Workspace and enter the new name. Editing workspace description. Click the three dots next to the desired workspace. Choose Edit Description, modify the workspace name or its description, and save changes. Sharing a workspace. Go to the workspace settings by clicking the three dots. Select Sharing Settings. View all workspace members and invite new ones by typing their email addresses, assigning roles as owner, editor, viewer, and clicking Invite. Deleting a workspace. Click the three dots next to the workspace you intend to delete. Choose Delete Workspace and confirm the deletion in the pop-up window. You can also restore the deleted workspace from the project trash bin. Moving on to projects. This is where your tasks come to life. Starting a project is a breeze. Whether you're beginning from scratch, importing from Airtable or a document, or utilizing templates, Retable has you covered. Each project can be customized, shared, and even exported to align with your team's workflow. Remember, managing your project settings, like renaming or editing descriptions, enhances clarity for all team members. Let's see in detail how projects can streamline our tasks, allowing us to manage our work efficiently and enhance collaboration. Creating a new project. Click on Start from Scratch. Enter the project name, choose a color, and select an icon to customize your project. Click on Create to establish your new project. Editing and managing projects. Access project settings by clicking the three dots next to the project name. Here, you can edit the project's details, rename it, modify its description, or change sharing settings. Deleting a project. Within the project's options, select Delete Project and confirm your choice to remove the project permanently. After deleting the project, you can always restore it from the project trash bin. Lastly, let's dive into tables, the heart of Retable where your data lives. Creating a new table, importing data, or even locking tables for control editing are all at your fingertips. Whether you're starting with an empty table, importing existing spreadsheets, or migrating your data from Airtable, Retable ensures your data is manageable and accessible. Plus, you have full control over your data organization with options to duplicate, move, or delete tables. Let's see in detail how tables serve as the foundation of our data organization, enabling us to arrange, track, and manage information effectively. Adding a new table. Choose Add New and select Empty Table. Name your table and confirm by clicking Create. Importing tables. Click on Import a CSV or XLS to import files. Follow the prompts to upload and integrate your data into Retable. Managing tables. Use the options next to each table to rename, duplicate, move, or delete it. Lock tables for editing or unlock them as needed. Exporting tables. Select Export Table from the Table options. Choose your export format and download the table to your device. Mastering workspaces, projects, and tables in Retable unlocks a world of efficiency and collaboration for your team. With these tools, you can seamlessly organize, share, and manage your data, all while customizing the platform to fit your project's unique needs. Dive in, explore, and transform the way you work with Retable.